Get a fish, get a fish. Oh God, don't get sucked up in there. Oh, there's a fish.
How did he in the water?
I don't know.
He's a water snake.
Yeah. Ooh. But I don't think he's going after the fish though. He's just like swimming around.
He's probably confused.
Well, yeah.
Oh, Slith, get a fish. He's not used to having to hunt for him in such a big pool of water.
Yeah.
Go get this. Go by the snake.
I'm not gonna wander.
Have fun with that.
Yeah, he's not even paying any attention to him.
Where'd they go? Are they
I don't know.
by Tortuga? Or?
I see a couple of them underneath the thing, and she's right on top of the turtle now. Doesn't seem to be bothering her.
No.
He might just be enjoying the water.
He might be, because he hasn't